Swastiastu. Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Gusti Suciani. I'm from Universitas Hindu Negeri Gusti PBI Denpasar. Today I want to tell you about model learning English in internalization, religion moderation. Before that, let me introduce you my honorable lecturer, Madam Dr. Silo Nyoman Sriadi, SPD, SAG, MPD. Okay, let's move to the first topic. The first topic is about Project Citizen. What is Project Citizen? Okay, Project Citizen is a civic or government curriculum that promotes competent and responsible participation in government. An interactive project-based learning model, Project Citizen emphasizes collaborative work, research and analysis, and engage students in learning how to monitor and influence public policy. How the Project Citizen works? First, identify a problem. This is a group project, and so you need to find a way to the entire class to agree on a single topic. The second one, research and define the problem. Once students have agreed on the topic, they need to do some research. The third one, identify potential public policy solution to the problem. Students need to start working on the potential solution to the problem. They should identify 2 or 3 potential public policy solutions. Next, choose a solution and make a case. Once the group has thoroughly researched the potential solution to the problem, they need to pick one. Next, develop an action plan. The penultimate step is determine how to advocate for your chosen solution. And the last one, deliver the presentation to the stakeholder. In this final piece of Project Citizen is to combine everything into the presentation and deliver it to a group with a power to act. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Project Citizen. The first one is allow students connect with world, event, and issues real. The second allows students integrate various concepts and relate ideas. Third, encouraging students to use knowledge and skill from various disciplines. Fourth, encouraging students to learn to cooperate with colleagues in a group. 5, allows students evaluate their own progress through self-assessment. 6, allows students to relate assessment activities to activities learning. And the last one is allow students to take advantage of the involvement of people, parents, and other members of the community. And the disadvantage is first, time spent on implementation Project Citizen models takes 4 until 6 weeks ideally. Second, requires course, and the last one is requires teacher deadlines. Okay, let's move to the second topic. Second topic is contextual teaching and learning. What is contextual teaching and learning? There are a concept of teaching and learning that help teachers relate subject matter content to real-world situation and motivate students to make connection between knowledge and application to student lives as family members, citizens, and workers, and engage in the hard work that learning requires. Thus, CTL helps students connect the content students are learning to the live context in which that content could be used. Students then find meaning in the learning process. As students strive to attain learning goals, students draw upon previous experience and build upon existing knowledge. By learning project and integrate multidisciplinary manner and in appropriate context, the students are able to use the acquired knowledge and skill in applicable contexts. Okay, what is the principles of contextual teaching and learning? The first one is constructivism. Constructivism is a theory that emphasizes the way how the student construct their own knowledge. Second one is inquiry. The principles show how learning conduct by including the process discovery that needs critical thinking. The third one is questioning. Questioning is one of the parts in teaching learning process. The student asks something because they want to know something they do not know. And the third one is learning community. Contextual teaching and learning conduct in group because its purpose is one to the student have sharing discussion section without the intimacy of others. The fifth one is modeling. Modeling is delivered from the word model. Model means example. The component of modeling means the teacher gives example to the student if they find difficult in real way. 6. Reflection. Reflection is the ways of thinking about what the student have learned and thinking about what they have done in the past. And the last one is authentic material. It's important to have assessment for the teacher in order to check whatever the student have learned the material or not. The assessment is done in authentic form in order to reduce the student to copy-paste to other friends' work. Okay, let's move to the advantages and disadvantages of contextual teaching and learning. According to Permatasari 2014, number 28, contextual teaching and learning model have several advantages and disadvantages. There are the first one, the advantages is students will feel more free learning because students are given the opportunity to participate. Second one is students will have strong motivation when participating is in learn. And the last one, the growth of an atmosphere of discussion in learning so that students can exchange information and know a new knowledge. And the disadvantages is it will take a long time. And the second one is learning will tend to be dominated by students who are smart and happy. Now I want to give you the example of religion moderation. When the Christians celebrate Christmas, they will hold open house, or same as the Muslims celebrate Eid, they invite dinners to come and eat and hope. And they invite people with other religions to participate in celebrating their holiday. Okay, the conclusion of our topic is to create a more interesting and meaningful English language learning model. It can be formulated by applying the Project Citizen and contextual teaching and learning models. Project Citizen is used to develop student knowledge and skill. Meanwhile, contextual teaching and learning, or CTL, is a learning model by providing facilities for student learning activities to find and manage their learning experience. Okay, I think it's enough. That's all from me, and it's all about my presentation, and see you next time. Bye bye.